Okay, chicken fried rice, Chinese style, Chinese takeaway style, really simple. Keep it nice and easy and clean. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we have here is 4 cups of cooked cold rice. I'm using a basmati rice. Now, I always say this, cold rice fries so much better than hot or warm rice, I find. That was cooked yesterday and been in the fridge. 1 chicken breast there, no skin, no bone, cut into little strips. 3 eggs, we're going to beat them and add them later. 1 cup of onion cut small, half a cup of green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them, a tablespoon of ginger and garlic, and 1 cup of frozen garden peas. Really simple, bit of a classic. So you're going to need a wok, skillet or frying pan or something like that. In there I've got 2 tablespoons of an oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use a different oil for sure if you want. Nice high heat. We're going to start off by dropping in 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger. To that we're going to add 1 cup of chopped onion. And then our 1 chicken breast, no skin, no bone. I've cut mine into thin strips. I mean, you can cut it into little cubes if you want. Very simply, stay on this high heat, keep it moving for about 3 to 4 minutes. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to add in our peas. Now, these were a frozen pea. Just put them into some cold water for a little bit. 1 cup there. If you want, you can add some bell peppers in here, some chopped carrots or any other vegetables that you like. I'm now going to add salt and pepper. Now I'm not adding any soy in here, and if I was, I wouldn't be adding any salt. Let's just go for another 2 to 3 minutes, again on this high heat and moving it all the time. Really fabulous. Okay, rice time. So 4 cups here of a cooked basmati rice. And like I said, cold. Cold rice for me always fries so much better. And again, you've probably heard me say this many, many times if you're a regular to the channel, and that is we actually need to fry the rice. So many people just flip it around for a minute or so. We need to fry this, and even if I get some browning or blackening on the rice, I'm super happy. I'll be back in 5 or 6 minutes. Stay on this high heat. So I'm hoping that you can hear that. The crackling and frying of the rice. A little bit of brown in there. I don't know if you can see that very clearly, but it's where the rice has caught a little bit. Fabulous. What we're going to do now is just push this to one side roughly. And then my 3 eggs, I'm going to drop them in. Now you may notice that I've not beaten the eggs, you know, really well, just very lightly. In that goes. And I want to show you just a little trick that you might want to do. I've got a tablespoon of oyster sauce here, which you can pop in, which gives it a lovely flavor. Now, you could use soy if you want, or a little bit of fish sauce, but I think the oyster sauce works really well. What we're going to do now is we're going to just mix and cook our egg on the side here. And you can get it as runny or as cooked as you like. I like mine fairly well cooked, so I'll be back in maybe about a minute, or in terms of me speeding this up, it's going to be about 10 seconds. Okay, so I'm about happy there. We're going to give this a nice mix now. We've been on a high heat all the way. If you want, add some chili to this. I'm keeping it nice and easy like this one. I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm going to get some green onions or spring onions, whatever you call them. In they go. One more mix. And that's beautiful. That really is simple, super tasty, and delightful. Let me get that on a plate for you. And there you go, just really beautiful. If you want, get some spring onions on the top for decorations. I've not bothered. But that is easy, delightful, and delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.